All right, what's good? This is going to be alkane worksheet number 2. Let's get right into it. Chop, chop. All right, number 1, circle the longest chain of the compound below. So in order to find the longest chain, we need to find out um like what's the longest line of it, right? So this is just going to be trial and error. Let's just do this. Let's just see what this one will be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also 9. So it looks like 9 is the longest one. So let's just circle this one. All right, what is its root name? What is its root name? Since there's 9 carbons, its root name will be nonane. We'll name the substituents in alphabetical order. So if we need to know like which way it's going. Is it going to go left to right or right to left? Um, the reason why, since right now, the reason why it's like it doesn't really matter, but like if it's this or this, because either way we number them. 9, 1, 2, 3. Either way, if we number them, um, it's still going to be, yeah, your first substituent will be number 4. And then if we're like, yeah, so like if, how bad, if this is the main strand, right, our first substituent will be number 4. If this is our main strand, still our first substituent will be at number 4. So it doesn't really matter. So let's just do this one. So name the substituents in alphabetical order. The reason why we're going right to left is because instead of left to right is because for our first substituent here, it's at number 4. But if you go from left to right, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First substituent will be at number 5. So we want the lower number. Okay. Let me just recircle this. Oops, different color. So at number 4, we have a 1, 2, 3. A 3 substitute, a 3 thing. 3 carbon will be propyl. Look at my thing up. Oh, no, I'm actually not too sure. I don't want to give you guys the wrong answers. Yeah, this will be yeah, 4 propyl. 5, and at number 5 we see here is going to be methyl. And so in order to name them in alphabetical order, we need to look at which one comes first. So letter M comes before P. We put that one first. All right, 5. C, number the chain to give them the lowest possible numbers. We just did that. Cool. D, name the compound. This will be 5 methyl, 4 propyl. Not in. All right, sweet. Number 2, which of the following represents the same compounds? Yeah, let's just do this right now. So each of them, they all have 6 carbons. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They all have 6. So in order to name them, we need to find out what we need to, okay, so yeah, let's just name them first. This one for A, the main strand is going to be here. And it's going to go from left to right because our first substituent will be at number 2. 2 here. So it would be 2-methyl. And then at number 4, there's going to be an 4-methyl as well. For B, you can probably tell this is the longest strand. It's going to go from left to right because at number 2, we have a substituent. If we go from right to left, our first substituent will be at number 3. So 2 is lower than 3, so that's why we go from left to right. It's going to be 2-methyl, 4-methyl. All right, C, it's going to be, this is going to be our longest strand. It also could be this one too, but it doesn't really matter because in this case, either way, our first substituent, like if this is our main chain, right, our first substituent will still be at number 2. But if like this was our main strand, number 2 will be our first substituent. Hopefully I'm making sense to you guys. If not, that'll be pretty bad. So let's just name them right now. I want to go with this one as our main strand. So it's going to be 2-methyl, 3-methyl. All right, sweet. Next one will be D. This will be our longest one. And numbering them out, we're going to be at 3, there's going to be a methyl, and at 4, there's going to be a methyl as well. All right, and so if you look at all these 4, we can see that A and B are the 2 similar ones. Let's move on to number 3. Draw the following compounds: 3-ethyl, 2-methyl octane. So this is actually easier. Octane, we draw the base one. So we put down our pencil. That's going to be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at number 3, 1, 2, 3, this is going to be an ethyl. Ethyl is 2, 1, 2. And at number 2, it's going to be a methyl, which is just 1. Right, 4 is going to be a 4-methyl nonane. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be a methyl. Methyl is just 1. C, heptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tert-butyl. At number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tert-butyl is going to be looking like this. Got chicken foot. So 4 is going to be chicken foot. Cool. Let's move on. D. Decane is a base. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4-ethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethyl is 2. 7, 5, 6, 7. Right here, isopropyl. Isopropyl is a Y. Y. Right. You can see here. 2, 4, 8 will be a methyl. So methyl is just 1. 2, 4, methyl, 8, methyl. All right, cool. Moving on. Number 4. Correct the following names. Hint, draw them, then rename them. So methylbutane. Butane is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At number 3, right, that'll be a methyl, which is 1. And this, my friends, this will be the thing that's wrong with this is that it's going the wrong direction. It should be going right to left, because if we number this out, we see our first substituent will be number 2. So it'll be 2-methyl butane. All right, so B, octane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isopropyl at number 3. Isopropyl is the Y, as I said earlier. And the reason that's wrong with this is because our main strand should be this. Because in our original problem right here, it's wrong because our first substituent will be number 3. But if we go this, our first substituent will be number 2. So numbering them out, we can just solve it out right now. So at number 2, there will be a methyl. At number 3, there'll be an ethyl. And then we can write this out. E becomes before M. So you write that before. So 3 ethyl, 2 methyl octane. Sweet. Number C, letter C, 2 ethyl hexane, hex is 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, number 2, there'll be an ethyl, so 1, 2. Oops. Um, the reason why this is wrong is because it should be um uh 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 is because this is at hexane, right? And it should actually be heptane because this is our main strand. Whereas in the original problem, they said that this was going to be our main strand. And so in our main strand, there's going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be heptane. And number 3, there's going to be a methyl. So 3 methyl heptane. All right, sweet. That's alkane worksheet number 2. Adios.